Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope, microscope.
Welcome back to Microscope Show. Today, I am here with
Brent Weinbach.
as I always am, and I'm Doug. But anyway, today, I got some dead bugs that I collected around my house. One of them I killed. The other ones
You killed one?
maybe died of natural causes. And there's several that a spider killed, and I found it next to his spider web. And they were eaten by the spider, so we get to see what that looks like.
You might see some bites
Yeah,
taken out of them.
The one that I killed is a mosquito. I mean, it was sucking blood out of my body. I had to kill it. Usually I'm a pacifist, but
Hey, you know what? It's kill or be sucked.
exactly. And I'm gonna pick them up with these tweezers that I've had in my bathroom for ages, years,
Uncleaned?
uncleaned.
Really?
And
What do you use for
Well,
this?
let's take a look at the tweezers first of all.
First of all, what do you
let's
use?
see what's on those tweezers.
Oh my gosh. Oh goodness gravy. That is truly disgusting. What are you using these tweezers for?
I'm just
Are you picking your...
cleaning out my fingernails and stuff. You know,
I mean, that is Grodestar.
basic stuff.
That is Grodestar hip hop right there.
All right, let's see if I can clean them. I'm gonna pinch this paper towel. Let's see how good I cleaned it. Look at that,
Wow.
nice and clean.
That is crazy. It was really dirty.
Look at that.
That is nice and clean. Well,
there's
still a little bit of funk out
It's hard to
there.
get in that
A
corner.
little funky in there still.
All right, which bug do you want to see first? I
Well,
got
let's
some
go
moths, a fly, and
Let's
a
go
mosquito.
mosquito. Let's go mosquito.
Okay.
Because I want to see the little stinger on it.
I think there's maybe a couple mosquitoes.
Or the
in here.
sucker or whatever it is. It's a stinger, isn't it?
It's not a stinger. A stinger comes from the butt. I think
So it's a sucker. Oh my, that is so cool. That is really cool.
Hold on here.
I already am seeing things. Wow. It is from the butt, isn't it?
And on the mosquito, it sucks from the nose, from its face.
I don't think so. This is a mosquito, right? I think it's coming from the butt. The stinger's from
Trust
the butt.
me, a mosquito doesn't suck your blood from their butt. It's from their face. Trust me.
Where's the stinger then? Where's it
Well,
sucking the
maybe
blood?
this isn't the mosquito. I don't know what. I think it's maybe his proboscis has fallen off.
No, that's it right there. The stinger right there. Look, push it up. For a little more.
No, it
Isn't that it?
no,
no.
100%. A
Okay.
mosquito has a thing on its face.
Okay. Really?
Yeah, 100%. See if I can get closer.
That's getting close. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Are those the eyes? Is that an eye?
That's the eyes right there.
Look at that eye. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those legs.
Their legs are kind of thick.
Oh, did some of the body come off at the end? Is that what happened? No.
It could be. Those arms are kind of thick, though, right?
Well, they look almost like grasshoppers or something like that, right?
Let's look at that wing. Look, it's kind of iridescent. Yikes.
Wait, get that back on the wing?
I must have knocked his nozzle off somehow.
Yeah, that's neat. It's kind of colorful in a way.
Well, let's move on. These bugs are getting stuck together because they have spider web stuff on them, you know?
Ah,
This is just a big pile of dead bugs right here.
wow.
Oh, you can see the web
the
still on
web
there.
stick. Little mini web stickness.
The web is still on there.
What are these bugs?
Oh.
They're kind of just... They almost look like mummified.
They're
or
too
something.
webbed out. Let's look at this. Now, this moth I found, it wasn't...
On a web.
There's no web on this moth. I think it just died of old age. It just flew around my house till it couldn't fly anymore.
We're going to have to turn that around at one point.
You want to go face down? You want to go
I want to
face up? You want
face
sunny side up?
There it is.
Sunny side up.
Oh, there it is. Look at that. Interesting, huh?
Yeah, when you see a moth flying around, it's just like, oh, there's a fluffy little thing.
You just
going
see a
around.
blurry
it just seems
thing.
like
you know?
a happy, fluffy thing.
But it's
Little
actually.
do you know.
And look at how long the antlers are, or whatever.
Look at that fur. It's like feathery.
Right, feathery.
The wings are feathery. Well, he's pretty gross, huh?
Look at that. Isn't that
Look
something?
at the scales. He's reptilian too.
Look at on the eyes, just the little fragments of, particles and stuff.
See how his antennas kind of curl? You think he
Yeah.
did that, like as a style?
It's because only one of them was curled, kind of, Look at that. Look at that. That's really interesting. It's also interesting because his face looks like, it could be a mosquito or something, another fly or something like that.
What's this one?
That one got
Ooh.
messed up.
Oh, there's like an egg in there.
Egg? Oh, is that an egg? That is not an egg. Isn't it an egg?
Is it moving?
The egg? Well, oh my God, stuff is moving.
I just blew on it.
Oh, that's why.
Tricked you. It's an
You
old
sure?
magic trick. Look, so when the spider eats it,
I
these are
don't.
the bones that it leaves left.
I don't even know what this is. What was this? A cricket?
It could be a mosquito or
So
a
is
moth
that
or
is that a
something.
partially eaten bug?
I think it ate. I think the spider ate it all. I think this is a fly that the spider ate.
I mean, it's kind of just not recognizable in a way.
Yeah.
Ew, is that blood from something? Look,
Where?
right that spot. What's that spot?
I don't know.
What is that? Is that blood?
No, it's an insect chunk.
Oh.
Oof.
Look at those hairs. What is this thing?
It's a fly.
What's
That's
that?
the fly.
What is that?
Insects have hairs.
Right, but I mean, I'm trying to see what this originally was,
Well, maybe next episode I'll get some better bugs, but... Okay, well that's it for these dead bugs.
Now
I
look at
mean,
the magnifying glass real quick.
I mean, look at the magnifying glass.
With the magnifying glass, you know what I'm saying? What happens if you look at the bugs through both of them? Oh, wait a second. Oh, hold on, that's interesting.
Well, it's like an album cover from like a 90s shoegaze band or something. Well, that's another episode of
Microscope
Show.
Subscribe to the channel.
Let us know what you'd like us to look at
Share
under the
the
microscope.
videos.
Yeah, share it. Subscribe it. We'll see you next week because every week we do a new video.
That's right. Ciao.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope,